So we're going to take a look at pairLab. An experiment has three parts to it: a survey, checking data, it's kind of a data scrubbing, and results. First thing we're going to look at is the survey. So this is from the administrative interface, so I'll click on survey. This is from a demonstration I did at New Jersey Drupal Camp in January. Now this is the page that represents the survey and all the data that goes into making the survey. We have a number of different areas, including messaging, showing the hello message that the participant sees at the beginning of the survey, the goodbye message shown at the end of the survey. There's an optional link after the survey is completed that the participant can go to some other place, some other website, and you can also show the results of the participants, and it's just a very simple rendering of the results. We have demographic segments, so this is cool because what pairLab is able to do is take a look at all the data that it receives from participants. And based on the questions, these demographic, and there can be up to 3 demographic questions that the participants answer, we can then chop up the data and look at results by each demographic, and we can even compare those two. On the video about results, I'll go into detail about that, and we can see really what that looks like. And then finally, we have 2 idea queues here. The first is the active ideas. These are the ideas that are live in the survey, the ones that the participants will vote on. We can create ideas, edit them, and delete them. And then finally, we have a suggestion queue. The participants can suggest ideas. Those ideas get thrown into this queue. They're ready for the survey owner to approve them or to edit them or delete them. Once they're approved, they go back into active ideas and they're fed back into the survey for subsequent participants to vote on. This is great because research suggests that something like 60% of potential ideas are left off surveys because if you're the person creating the survey, you don't know everything. So giving participants a chance to crowdsource answers gets you further down the line towards the real universe of ideas. Sometimes I've seen this happen on ones that I've done, which is really neat, is they just tell you stuff. It has nothing to do with any ideas, but there are additional data points that you can use as you're trying to figure out the answer to your question and doing your research. And then finally, when the survey is open, we have a link to the survey, and this is what you can give your potential participants. You can send it to them in an email or something, or you can embed the survey in a web page. And here's an iframe for simple embedding, and you can mess with things like the height and the width to fit your page as you want.